Here we go. Flash flood watch.
Here is a flood statement. Flash flood watch now in effect through Monday evening. The flash flood watch is now in effect for portions of northeast Georgia, North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina, including the following areas in northeast Georgia: Franklin, Habersham, Hart, Raven, and Stevens. In North Carolina, Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, McDowell, Polk, Gaston, Graham, Rutherford, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Jackson, Rowan, Swain, Transylvania, Union, and Yancey. In upstate South Carolina, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Oconee, Pickens, Spartanburg, and York. Through Monday evening, numerous showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop across the western Carolinas and northeast Georgia today through tomorrow. These storms will develop in a very moist air mass and will be quite slow-moving. This setup will be favorable for multiple heavy rain-producing thunderstorms to affect the same location. Areas impacted by the thunderstorms could quickly see 1 to 3 inches of rain, with local 4 to 6 inch totals possible in locations affected by multiple storms. Rainfall at these rates may result in flash flooding along small creeks and streams, and in low-lying areas with poor drainage. Landslides or debris flows may result along steep mountain slopes if the storms are able to anchor over the higher elevations. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. These actions could include quickly seeking higher ground if your location is threatened by flood waters, or altering travel plans to avoid flooded areas.